Hit the subscribe button to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest update of our videos. Welcome friend. In this video we'll learn about how to make a program in selection sort. Basically, what is sorting? Sorting is nothing, it's just how to make an arrangement of an element, whether it may be in ascending order or descending order. Suppose we take an element 5, 9, 3, 8 and we have to suppose to arrange it increasing order. Then what we get? 9, 8, 5, 3. And in descending order, it's just opposite to ascending order, 3, 5, 8, 9. But there are different type of sorting available in C programming, but generally in this video we talk about selection sort. So let's explore it. So guys, here are the programs. First of all, we have to include library in the function. I just make it there is stdio.h. that means that standard input output. Then program starts from here. After the main, I just put the integer a20 and temp ij. That indicates that a20 means the array and size, what the size of the array. Temp ij is the another integer. So first we have to know what the size of an array choose by the user. Then I write printf, enter the number of the terms, then input scanf %d. Then I used to write the elements. Printf, enter the element of an array. Then for loop start from here and I used to write I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n and I plus plus. Scanf is hold the value and for loop is close here. Then now the sorting program is start now. First of all, we have to follow the for loop. In this, I start from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n minus 1 and I increase by 1. And another for loop is start from j. There here is I indicate that why should I use the integer j, and for loop is start from here for j. J is equal to I plus 1 means to say that increment of the value of the I in j for start, and then we have to put it hold. Then for j is equal to less than 2n and increment j by 1. Okay, then if we put the condition in between them, if ai, here is the loop of ai, if ai is greater than aj, then we have to follow this step. Here is temp is an empty place, then the value of ai is goes to temp, and then now ai is become an empty, then aj, value of aj is goes to ai, and now aj is empty, then value of temp is go to aj. Now temp is not empty because here I used to write ai values goes to temp. Now here you can see that temp values goes to ai. Now the temp become empty. So thus by following these loops in between for loop for I and j, we get the number in ascending order. Then we write printf, the ascending order list is ascending order list is for this we have to put in for loop because number is arrange it according to the choice of the user, so it will go to 1 to n and increment by 1. So we write printf n percentile to ai. Ai is denoted to the loop which is according to the user. So here is output. First enter the number of the terms, we have to write 4 here. Then enter the element of an array, we write 12, 22, 3 and 15. Then we press and enter and get the result according to the algorithm, according to the program fillings. The ascending order list is here this type, the ascending order list is this type is here, and we get in ascending order suppose 3, 12, 15 and 22. I hope you really understand this program. So please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.